Good afternoon, class. I've had a few questions about the lit review part of our research paper. So I wanted to do a short video here, hopefully giving some clarification. So if you did the previous assignment lit review I don't know, it was a couple months ago, I think, or last month, and you actually did the lit review for all 6 articles that you chose, 3 for social media, 3 for self-esteem, then you're pretty much done. And you can just incorporate that into your paper. If you just listed the articles, then you still need to do the lit review. So what do you need to do for the lit review? And I'm getting this information. The page you're seeing is Purdue OWL, which I've referred to numerous times. There are some resources at the end of Canvas that are straight from Purdue OWL. It's a great resource as you're writing the paper, or if you have questions right now before you're even writing it. So as it says here, the lit review goes after the introduction and before the method section. It's going to cover those peer-reviewed articles that you found that correspond to self-esteem and social media, and hopefully have some specific theme that goes throughout those 6 articles. So you're going to be writing about what you found in those 6 articles. So it's going to go after the intro, as I said, and you're going to start in a general sense, and then you're going to get more specific. So you introduce your topic in a general sense, and then you're going to identify connections between the studies. So you're going to find connections between the self-esteem studies, and then also how the self-esteem studies connect to the social media studies. You're going to highlight any debates that might be happening or anything that you find that's missing. So any gaps as you're looking through those research articles. You're going to also look at them and assess what the strengths are and what the weaknesses are. So as you're looking through this, yes, you can cite directly from the articles, but you also want to give your opinion about things. What are you seeing that you feel like they've missed, or maybe included and you think that they shouldn't have included it? Things like that. And then this part is just kind of giving you a more specific rundown of how to break it down. So lit review will start with your introduction, as I talked about, and then the body is going to be more where you're summarizing and synthesizing, you're analyzing and interpreting, you're evaluating. You want to make sure this is done in well-organized paragraphs using transition words and topic sentences so that you're drawing those comparisons and connections, and also the contrast. Group them by theme. So how do they relate to one another? And then how do they relate to the research topic? Do they build upon one another, or are they challenging one another? Again, are there any gaps? And then the conclusion, you summarize those key findings. You emphasize significance as according to what you've decided to do your specific research on. And like I said, everybody's is going to be self-esteem and social media, but the articles that you choose may be different than another student's. So the specifics of those articles are what you're going to be connecting back to your primary research question, which is your hypothesis. And then down here, you can, if I go up here, you should be able to see the actual page that I'm on. And that way you can go straight to this page and it'll help you further. Um, so this is just giving you how to organize a little, giving you a little more specifics. So just go through this, go to this website here, and you can find a little more detail. I hope that helps clarify a little bit more about Lit Review. Send me questions if you have any. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks.